Well, greetings and good morning, business communication students. This is Mr. Doucette. Once again, this is week number 8 in our 15-week, I think it's a 15-week class here at Cerritos College on business communications. And this week we're going to be looking at positive and neutral messages. So last week we started with just kind of, I think it was digital channels as well as, just routine office communications, which dealt a little bit with letters and memos and emails, and spent a lot of time looking at instant messaging and blogging and all that. And you wrote a blog this week, you did an instant message exchange, a tweet, all that kind of stuff. So this week we're going to be moving into our first actual document, which is memos. So that's what we'll be considering with this week, and we'll be looking at just positive, routine business communications within an office, written business communications. So we'll be dealing with one of the most common over the years, and that is memos. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. And here I am on our home page, and I'm going to scroll down here to module number 1. This is actually, we're in module number 2 right now. So I'm going to select module number 2, and I'm going to scroll down to this week, which we just started module number 2 today. So this is actually last week. So we are going to be looking at module number 2, week 8. And so, of course, you have a check-in assignment on chapter 6, just asking you a few questions about the chapter. Make sure you give me an answer that's a few sentences long, that's substantial enough to show that you really understand the question and the answer. And also just give me the textbook answer. I'm not looking for you to give me your answer, but really what does the textbook say? And this requires then you to look in the textbook and read it and all that. But that's the check-in assignment. We also, there is a PowerPoint slides as well, so make sure you read the chapter and review the PowerPoint slides. And then you're going to be talking about a memo. So I've given you 2 resources. It might actually be the same resource, but there's one here. It's a teaching demonstration I did at Cerritos College when I got hired there a few years back, and it's on how to format a memo. So watch that. It's not really a video, so just scroll through the PowerPoint, read the slides, read what's on the slides, and you'll get a really good grasp of a memo. I believe it might be the same thing here, or one of these might be a video of me talking about it. Let's see what this one is. It is. So this is a video of me talking about memos, and by the way, if you watch that video, chances are you're going to get a lot of answers to both the writing assignment that you're going to do as well as the discussion post that you might be doing. So anyway, make sure you check that out. That's going to be a really important video to watch if you really want to do well on your memo. It's going to show you how to format the memo. I think I actually go over the PowerPoint that's up here in this folder in the video, so you might just want to watch the video. But there's a quiz on chapter 6, and then you have your writing assignment number 2, which is a floating holiday memo. So make sure it's formatted like a memo with the correct title block. There is no signature block on a memo. It's just the initials of the author, but make sure you have your margins, and then you have the body of your memo announcing the floating holidays. Make sure you utilize a lot of text design and what I call design elements to improve the readability. So you should certainly have some headings and bullet lists and bold text and short single-space paragraphs. All that should be a part of your document. It should be 1-inch margins all the way around on a memo. Make sure you have the word memorandum on there, etc. So this is your first actual document that you're writing. So treat it like a document. I would put the document on its own page and then a cover page if you want to put all that, what assignment it is. I don't care that you do all that because I know that it's yours because you've submitted it under your name. And so I know it's yours. I don't need all the information of what assignment it is, what class it is, your name. I just need your memo. So just upload it to the assignment here. And you just do that if you select the assignment instructions. All you need to do is select the, when it's in student view, if you can see your screen, it should just have a start assignment at the top. Actually, this one, yeah, it should have, oh, that's weird. Maybe it's not showing it for me. It should show it for you. It should be a start here. There's not a reply, so. But there's a rubric. Interesting, it's because it's not giving it to me. It should have a start assignment button here somewhere. It's not showing it for me, but if you have any issues, let me know. But you just need to submit your right here, download submissions. So yeah, it's not giving me the same thing as you have because I'm the instructor. But even so, when you get the document done, just attach it as a document, and that's all you need. It goes under your name in Canvas, and it allows me to see that it's from you, and then I can grade it right there in Canvas. It makes it really nice. So, all right, so that's pretty much it for week number 8. And you're also continuing to work on your discussion post number 2, the do's and don'ts of business writing. If you've not watched the video on that, make sure you watch that right away. And it will be in this discussion post assignment. There'll be a link to the video. If it's not there yet, I'll make sure it's there. I'll put it right up in here so that way you can watch it. There's actually a video right here of me doing it. So yeah, it's right here. So make sure you watch it. If you watch that, you can kind of skip a lot of the work for this discussion post. If you don't watch it and you follow the assignment instructions, it's going to be a little bit more work for you than just to watch the video. I give you a lot of tips, and I also basically do this assignment for you in the video, so take advantage of that if you would. But that's pretty much it for week number 8. Have a great week. You'll see me